Hi, and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to edit your user profile in Templafy. Your user profile controls how your personal information appears in your documents and email signatures. That may include details like your name, title, phone number, and office location. To edit your profile in Office, navigate to User Options and choose User Profiles. Here, you can review and update your personal details. Simply click into a field to make updates. When you are finished, save your changes. That's it. You can create more than one profile if you work across business units or offices. To add a new profile, select Create User Profile. Fill in the required fields. If the option is enabled by your admin, you can allow colleagues to subscribe to your profile. This means that they can create documents on your behalf. When you're done, click Create. The same user profile settings are available in the browser. When you create documents and emails, you can now switch between available user profiles as needed. We recommend reviewing your details regularly to ensure your information stays up to date. Thank you for watching.